this journey with me. I am now 200 pounds from 218.9 to 200.6. I started on July the 27th, 2020, and now, actually, I'm watching Age of Ultron. Um, so I started July the 27th, 2020, and it is August the 11th. And I had to look at my mirror. I'll show you guys my mirror. I write all over my mirror. I'm a very visual person, so I have to kind of be able to see what's going on, or else everything is foggy for me. But if you didn't catch that video to see how I lost the pretty much 18.9 pounds, I lost 18.9 pounds in 2 weeks. If you didn't get to see how I did that, the description will be, well, it will be in the description below. So the link will be in the description below for you guys to watch that. The last 3 days of this, I did a water fast. My sister uprooted her family, and her and my brother-in-law and my little baby nephew MJ, they came in and moved in with me and my family for 3 days, just so she could make sure I drink water the last 3 days. Because y'all know, in every single video before this, I'm like, oh my God, I hate water, fast, liquid diets, all of that. So, we're not here to talk about that though. I want to get into it because today I stepped on the scale this morning, and today is the last day of my water fast. I wanted to show you guys, well, I'm excited to talk about the fact that I'm at 200. I don't even know the last time I was at 200 pounds either. I don't. So, without further ado, pack with me. Okay, so I don't know if I'm getting a tummy tuck or 360 lipo with Brazilian butt lift. That's just being honest. My BMI has to be at a 32 in order to get the tummy tuck. Right now, it is a 33. Who knows? Tomorrow morning, I could wake up and be 192. The way that this has been going. But anyway, so if you want to see everything that I did to get there, again, the link for that will be below. It won't out because it's so long. I vlogged over 14 days. So yeah. So pack with me. First of all, Harley Day is coming. Why did I agree to bring my daughter? I don't know. I just don't. I should have left her here. But she's coming. My grandmother's coming with me when I fly in. You have to have someone 18 or older to be with you during surgery. My husband, he was like, babe, I'm going to come down there on Saturday because 7 days is just too long. And I'm like, okay. So then this morning, he's like, well, I'm going to come on Friday. How do you feel about that? Hanging out, I don't care when you come. I'll be happy to see you when you get there. So, yeah. So I'm just trying to decide what I want to do. So I got all of Harley's clothes right here, but then I got all of my clothes right there. And then I have this huge box that's full of like all the stuff that I need for my surgery. Okay, let me pick it up and get it. Oh gosh, oh gosh. I just been like buying stuff over time. Like every time I see a girl in the group say that she needed something, I went and got it because I didn't want to be without. Let me grab my water too, because I'm only on water, and that just took so much energy out of me. So you actually do need a cup like this for surgery, or some sort of cup with a straw. So I got like 3 or 4 of those. I got black dry towels, you know, because it'll be like blood and everything. And I don't know about you, but I don't want to see white blood or red blood on my white towels or anything. So I got black towels to make it seem less gross. They said you need Chucks, or CHUX, have you spell it. But this one girl in the group, she was like, I can't find any anywhere. You know, like the PP pads that you put for yourself. I got some puppy PP pads. They're the same exact thing. Bella, I ordered her 100 and I took 25 of them. So I have 25 of these to kind of help with the blood or whatnot. There's that. And then I got like pads. They said you need pads. I just got off my cycle yesterday. TMI, but it is what it is. So I got like these old school. My granny gave these to me too. Shout out to Princess Lee. Granny gave these to me, and I got some other ones, but and she gave me some Depends. Shout out to Aunt Tissy. R.I.P. Aunt Tissy. Aunt Tissy was like 87. She just passed a few months ago, but so my granny took all of her Depends gear from her house. I've never seen a Depend in person, but this how they look. You know, I need to be getting up and going back and forth to the restroom, but them girls is like, it's hurt and all this. I don't know. Maybe at nighttime when I'm sleepy, I'll put them on because I'm scared to not make it to the restroom in time. I don't know. I'd rather be safe than sorry. This wasn't on the list, but here are my Depends. Then, Clorox wipes. Need these for anyways, with Corona going around and just everything, we can sanitize the room. And I'm going to transfer this stuff into some slider Ziploc bags, but I'm just showing you guys ahead of time. What is this? It's empty, is what it is. Oh, I got gloves. So it'll be me and Green. Hagen will be there too, and Harley, in case you need to change anything on me. As well as my grandmother, she just likes to have gloves with this pandemic going on. And I don't blame her. So I got 50. That should be enough for me, her, and Harley, hopefully. Okay, but I have extra gloves too. But this is the 50 pack. I was gonna put this off in a spray bottle, so I do need to get by the Dollar Tree today and buy some, some little spray bottles so that we can have this. So lights on. Got to get ready to get into all of the stuff that I have that's specifically for the surgery, but it's the stuff that we just gotta have now because the world has changed. Also, I got me and Granny and Harley face shields. So you put them on like that, I think. Yeah, so it'll go like this over our face. And we have 3 sets of glasses. We have face masks too, but this is just gonna be better. So I got that. And I will try to put the link for everything that I ordered in the description below. Okay, so now we're going to start to get to actual medicines and things that you're going to need for the surgery. So I have vitamin C, and they're the big chalky kind. I wish I would have paid attention to what I was doing. Oh my goodness, but this is vitamin C. 1,000 milligrams. You're going to need that. I also have folic acid. It says it's important B vitamin for women of childbearing age. Helps supports nervous system and function. And you can't have any of these things in your system 2 weeks before surgery. You can't have like fake nails, which I really don't wear nails anymore because of me doing hair and teaching hair and stuff, and so it'll soak up. They don't even last that long. Arsenia care. Now let me tell y'all something. This is off the chain. I'm in love with this stuff. I opened it up and used it beforehand, and with me doing hair, this shoulder right here always bothers me severely, especially in the back. But I take this stuff and I rub it in my arm. It starts working immediately, and it's a homeopathic medicine, which is good because your body only takes what it needs and sweats it out, or you'll pee it out, but it's gonna come out some kind of way if you overdo it. But it's a homeopath, and it quickly absorbs, non-greasy, and unscented. And I actually like it. Surgery or not, I will have a tube of this for the rest of my life, but it helps. And my shoulder's been feeling better because I've been awful, not doing hair for a few days. More gloves, like I said, I got. So this is another. So it's 10 to a pack on these. So I have 40 of these. So technically we have 90 gloves. So it's just important because we're going to be in Austin, Texas for a week. You have to have extra strength Tylenol. And I might go buy me some more today because I had popped them and then I already taken them and everything. It's on the tin here. So I know I'm going to need more. They say that Mia Asthetics prescribes you, what is that called? Oh, Percocet. I'm not taking them Percocet. Okay? My dad is on crack. Shout out to Willie. And that's terrible, but it is what it is. I don't know what's going on, so I'm not gonna try it at all. I don't want them Percocet. Hemoplex. This is iron. It's an iron supplement. It's 85 milligrams. Elemental iron, mild and gentle, and it's gluten free. Hemoplex. So you're gonna need that. This is the Arsenia tea or Arnica. I don't know how to say it. I say Arsenia. Or no, it might be Arnica or Arnisha. I don't know. Yeah. Put in the description below how I pronounce it. But you gotta have this. It helps with like pain and all those types of things, inflammation as well. But a lot of not a lot of the girls actually on the list that you get from Mia Asthetics, they tell you certain things to buy. Like you can purchase it from them, or you need to have your own. So I just went ahead and pre-bought everything. Miralex. Okay. They said that after you finish your surgery, that it's kind of hard to have a bowel movement. So you want to take your Miralex. You must have compression socks. So this is 3 to a pack. I mean, I probably should have got 7 pairs, but I didn't. I only got 3 packs. I work 2 a day or something like that shit, and I don't know. But I'm tired of spending money. But you gotta have compression socks. Oh, sterilized gauze or sterile gauze pads. You gotta have those. What is this? Oh, washcloths. Baby, that's a fact. Washcloths. It's gonna be a bloody mess. I don't know. It might not even be that bad, but they were saying that we needed to have some of these too. So I just ordered a big thing of it. Of course, I don't need all of this for 7 days of being in, excuse me, 7 days. But I'm always safe and sorry. They get to fighting over tissue again, which I wasn't a part of that. As a woman, I just buy extra tissue anyways for the house. You never know. That's how I was raised. They say you need peroxide, so I can transfer everything into the bag. So I want to show y'all like what all I am using for what I'm using for what I'm packing to wear as well. So that is your medicines. Let's see if I miss. I also bought Hurley a cute little mask. We got tons of masks. Every time I see a cute one, I buy it. But I bought this one for Austin to wear underneath her. What is that thing called? To wear underneath the face shield. And then too, I'm from Texas. I live in Dallas Fort Worth. So it's really hot outside. So sometimes these things are smothering. So she could just wear her face shield, but extra protection. So we got that. And then I found this little cute one as well. It's blinged out. I love bling. And lastly, I got each member of the staff at Mia Asthetics in Austin a Starbucks gift card. I found a 5-pack of 10. Nope, a 10-pack. But it's $5 on each one, so that's enough to get something. He'll put $2 with it, make it work. But you get more bees with honey, my mom always say. And so I'm going today to the Dollar Tree to get some roses, or some like cute little fake flowers. And I was gonna come in with a bouquet of Starbucks cards. Hopefully, I get to show you guys that. I don't know how they are about filming in there. I know some places make you sign a waiver. I made you. These are so cute. So those are for y'all. You're welcome. You gotta pay them to film. So I don't know, but I'm not doing all of that. So we'll see. But I'll at least try to show you guys the flower bouquet. Try to pack that down there and give this to everybody. So it's very important because I want the best service, and I do care about people who care for me. My sister, when she had her baby, she was wonderful. Do you hear me? She was nice to the staff. They treat us so good. When I had my baby, I was nice too, but I was so out of there, I didn't even care. But anyway, so need more bees with honey, so it's always nice to give something to the staff. I'm not giving Dr. Sharpoo anything. He has already got a ton of money from me. So, I hope that this was helpful to see what medicines that you need. I think that I'm missing like 1 or 2 things. When I get down there, I'm gonna buy myself some CBD oil. I didn't want to travel with it, but they sell the CBD oils and gummies and all of that kind of stuff at Mia Asthetics. So I'll pick whichever one works for me because I probably can't eat that gummies because they probably got pork in it. But I'll figure it out. I am getting some sort of CBD though while I'm there. But I hope you guys enjoyed packing with me as far as my medicines and what you need as far as like protection for yourself while you're there. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and then show me pictures of what you packed or what your surgery is about. I can't wait to show you guys my after pictures. And then check out part 2 where I'll be wearing the same exact outfit, showing you guys what clothing that I'm taking for the trip. That's 2 totally different things. So until next time, remember, average is officially over and greatness is the only standard. CC the Great, signing off.